Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'll be showing you how to perform or implement one of the tasks on the Builders Hub in Meeds.io, and that task is App Directory Review. We'll first go to All Tasks, then make our way to the Promote Meets category. There, we'll see App Directory Review tasks and click on it. We will then proceed to read the instructions thoroughly. And under instructions, the mission says post a review about Meets on one of these directories. So that means out of all the below listed directories, we can choose one and post a review about Meets. So for today's tutorial, we're going to be going with Cross Desk. So we click Cross Desk on the list, or we click the link. And that will take us to the Meeds.io reviews page on CrossDesk website. We then scroll down on the page to the review section. We scroll down till we see Meeds.io users review and your ratings and write a review. You then give it a rating and click write your review. There it will ask you to either log into your account or create an account with them, sign up. You can just use your LinkedIn to make it easy. After which it will bring you to the page where you can actually write your review. So you follow their instructions with writing the review. And after writing your review, you go down to click publish review. Once your account is set up and you've published your review, it should appear on the Meeds.io review page. The easiest way to get back to that page is to first go back to Meeds.io actions page to the app directory review, then you click the link and it will take you back to the review page. When we get to the review page, we will start scrolling down till we see our review. Once we see our review, we take a screenshot. That is the review that I made. So after we've taken a screenshot of our review, we then copy the link to the page. After that, we then go to the app directory review task on Meets.io and contribute. There under the proof, it says link to the review. But we are also going to attach a file of the screenshot of our review to make it easy for the executives to find. And by doing that, and to do that, you can just click the image icon and it will open up your files, and you can click on the saved screenshots of the review Meets.io review page and contribute it, and you will earn your rewards. Thank you very much.